Very warm greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We are discussing about the Vastu on the scientific approach, on the rational approach. We see that every house, every residence, every factory, every workplace bears a shape, geometry in the construction, right? This deals the structural geometry, its directional frequencies, relations with the intensity of the energy. True or not? Everything is related, right? Okay. The nature follows geometry and its forms. Sorry for that. The two important factors that will be observed through the interaction of the shapes, the geometry, with the distinguished energy in the direction. If we observe anything in this universe, we always see some kind of shapes, some kind of names, some kind of forms. In nature, the fruits, the leaves have different shapes. However, did we ever question ourselves how they have been attributed? As a miracle of nature, even all the rocks, minerals, have shapes and crystalline structures. Scientists call this as crystallography. So is that the inanimate objects do possess some type of structure, some type of shape, some type of form. For any object we could see outer structure, but inherently they are also related to the internal atomic structure. In humans too, there's a hidden structure. We call it DNA. Our hidden structure we call it DNA. Our ancients also represent it as 3.5 times. Okay, coiled snake, and the same has been used in the medical symbol. In inanimate objects too, the atoms are geometrically connected within a representing their own shapes. Above all, there's a force between them. They are inseparable by the normal means with the interatomic force or the bondage. The secret is the outer shape has a relationship with the inner shape. The outer shape has a relationship with the inner shape. Different shapes of leaves produce different types of forms, different types of fruits. When we separate few petals of flower, when we separate different types of flowers from the bird, from the surgically, then the result would be the flower may blossom, but it never becomes a fruit with a perfect form. It can be inferred that an imbalance in energy causes disharmony. Even the yantras, the geometrical forms used by so and so Islamic or Hindu structure, possess some balanced structure which are used for healing. Let us conclude that the structure, the shapes have some power, and yantras have become healing powerhouses, which in turn have a relationship with the human nature. Now let's learn about the shapes which we have something to do with the human biology. The normal structures that we teach in the schools are the same that we see in nature. Example, leaves, rocks, animal shapes, human shapes, blah blah blah. All the other structures are related to the multiple combinations of the above forms, whatever I explained. Obviously, as per the above discussion that we had, there is certain some energy fields which may help or disrupt human beings due to interaction with them. Mostly flowers are in the shapes of the circles, and the leaves will be either rectangle connected with the triangles or semicircles. For sustaining life, they indicate the need of the water energy, the sun's energy. The nature plays the role of a geometry to fulfill its requirement. The combination of the 9 triangles, 9 circles, one point at top and one square at the bottom makes the miraculous figures like Sri Yantra. A geometrical figures works as a powerhouse emitting power energy is a great miracle created by the Indian saints. Some geometrical drawings with their combination makes different yantras. They're used by the scientists. Okay, the scientists were coding those ancient things, how they made this energy stuff. Similarly, the building structures also bear geometry. Also, they give positive or negative energy. This is how it is. We'll go and discuss in the more about the nature flows and the geometries forms. Okay, in the coming lessons, the more stuff. Let's see. Okay, thank you so much. Take care.